So my son comes to me today and says, "Hey mom, I need a sweatshirt by Monday that says swap for career day." It's Saturday. So I ran over to Hobby Lobby, got him a sweatshirt, and I found these iron-on patches that I thought would probably look a little bit better than the vinyl because it was so last minute. So I haven't tried them yet. We're going to use this with the heat press and we're going to see how this works. So it is sticky on the back. It's kind of like a giant fabric sticker. So what you want to do is go ahead and preheat your fabric. I just press it for 5 to 10 seconds. I do have my heat press set at 325. And then you're going to line up your patch. I put parchment paper over mine. You can do that or just a very thin towel. Either one will work. And we're going to press that for 30 seconds and then flip it over and press it for another 15 seconds. Okay, so we're going to do the same exact thing to the front. You saw me press it just to get that heat in the fabric. I am not going to pull off the full backing to these letters. I want to just kind of lay them down gently just so I can get the placement right, and then I'll pull off that backing. There's a little white backing you'll see here in a second. And then once we get that on there, same exact thing. Put that parchment paper over, press at 325 for 30 seconds, flip it, 15 seconds, and you're done. So it was very easy. I would definitely use these again, especially for the last minute projects that all of the kids think you can just, make out of nowhere. So I'm glad this worked out. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks again for watching.